Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy, Mathematics faculty. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed 13 problems in level 2. Now 14th question. See this, what they are given. 2 tan A plus cot A is equal to tan B. This is one condition given. Then find the value of cot A plus 2 tan of A minus B. Now first take a cot A plus 2 tan of A minus B and do the calculation and use the condition, we get answer. Cot A plus 2 into tan of A minus B formula, tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, now take the LCM. Take the LCM. What is LCM? 1 plus tan A tan B. Now multiply these two. Cot A into 1 cot A plus cot A into tan A into tan B plus here multiply with 2. What happened? 2 tan A minus 2 tan B. 2 tan A minus 2 tan B. Now here observe that this is tan A, sorry, A is missing. What is tan A into cot A? Tan theta into cot theta. We know very well. Tan A into cot A. Cot A we can write 1 by tan A now. Tan A into cot A means 1 by tan A. So these two is going to cancel. That value should be 1. Now numerator cot A plus 1 into tan B plus 2 tan A minus 2 tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. So after simplification we got like this, and they are given one condition. This is, what is the condition? 2 tan A plus cot A value is tan B. 2 tan A plus cot A. Where is the terms? These two. 2 tan A plus cot A, that is tan B plus tan B minus 2 tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Students, observe the numerator. Tan B plus tan B, 2 tan B. 2 tan B minus 2 tan B, it is going to 0. 0 by anything? 0. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. 15th question, very, very important. First, observe the given conditions. In a triangle PQR, in triangle, sum of the angles how much? Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, 180 degrees. Already given angle R is 90 degrees. Angle R is 90 degrees means P plus Q is 90 degrees or not? P plus Q 90, R 90. 90 plus 90, then 180. Students, are you understood? But here they are given one condition. tan p by 2, tan q by 2 are roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we know that formula alpha comma beta are roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then sum of the roots alpha plus beta. What is the formula, students? Minus b by a. Product of the roots c by a. This formula already you know very well in lower classes. Alpha beta are the roots of the equation, then sum of the roots and product of the roots. But here they are given in place of alpha and beta tan p by 2, tan q by 2. So tell me sum of the roots. That means tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2. Sum of the roots how much? Minus b by a. Product of the roots tan p by 2 into tan q by 2, that is equal to c by a. Okay, but here p plus q is equal to 90 degrees given. Apply tan on both sides. Tan of p plus q, that is equal to tan. So here directly we can't apply the tan. Here p by 2, q by 2 terms are there. Divide 2 on both sides first. P by 2 divide plus q by 2, that is equal to pi by 2 divided by 2, that is pi by 4. Now apply the tan on both sides. Tan of p by 2 plus q by 2, that is equal to tan pi by 4. Now this is in the form of tan a plus b or not? What is tan a plus b formula? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. That means tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 divided by 1 minus tan p by 2 into tan q by 2. Students, observe the right hand side. What is a tan pi by 4? Tan 45 degrees. 1 or not? Now use these two formulas. This is sum of the roots. Numerator substitute minus b by a. Product of the roots substitute in the denominator 1 minus c by a, that is equal to 1. Now take the cross multiplication minus b by a and take LCM also. A minus c by a. A is cancelled. Then what is answer? Minus b is equal to a minus c. There is no option. So what we have to do? Minus c send left hand side, minus b send right hand side. C is equal to a plus b. Students, are you understood? Minus b send right hand side, minus c send left hand side. So you will get this relation. C is equal to a plus b, or a plus b is equal to c. Which option is correct? First option is correct. This is a very, very important question. In a triangle ABC, if tan B is equal to 2 sin A sin C divided by sin A plus C, then tan A, tan B, tan C are in AP series, GP, HP, AGP series. They are asking. See here, this is an important question. Tan B, and right hand side numerator 2 is sent to left hand side. It is going to denominator. And remaining sin A sin C divided by sin of A plus C. Students, how to do this? Just write the reciprocal. That means 2 by tan B, that is equal to what happened in right hand side? Sin A plus C divided by sin A sin C now. What is sin A plus C formula? Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C divided by sin A sin C. Just I am written reverse and applied right hand side numerator formula. Now right hand side, split the terms. First term, what happened? Sin A cancel. For suppose cos C divided by sin C. What happened? Tell me. Cot C. Cot C means that is 1 by tan C. 1 by tan C plus same like that in second term also, which is going to cancel sin C cancel. Cos A divided by sin A. What? Cot A. Cot A. Cot A we can write 1 by tan A. Okay. Right hand side 2 divided by tan B. So those are in which series, students? Tell me. Tan A, tan B, tan C are in harmonic progression, HP. This is the answer. So 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C means we will say that A, B, C are in harmonic progression. Instead of A, B, C, they are given tan A, tan B, tan C. Finally, which option is correct? Third option is correct.